Hi there, Merry Christmas. Well, here I am again with one of my funny little videos, but some of you have been asking for a little tour of the shop, so I'm going to quickly just take you on a little tour. So we have lots of really neat things, and we're still getting shipments, and we're still making things, so we're not completely there yet. We have all kinds of wonderful ornaments, our little elf here, lots and lots of battery candles. I love these. They come in 3 different heights, so you can do them down your table. And this guy, Santa and his reindeer, are great for the center of a table or on a fireplace. These are really fun, particularly for people that are just starting to decorate a tree and you need something that's going to fill because it's very expensive to all of a sudden have to buy all your ornaments. So these are really fun. They come in 2 different colors. Or these, which you can see up here, and they too will fill space and give a real feel of festivities. We've got lots of pictures this year. Some are lit and some are not. These are fairies. We're just, as you know, in love with fairies and dear little fairy ornaments. We have the boxes that we do. This is our vine reindeer, which is just gorgeous. We have them in 3 different sizes. And dear Santa, this is our Santa, our big Santa this year. And he's lots of fun, ready for his ride across the skies. And we have this gorgeous sleigh to put him in, and he's available. All kinds of gorgeous ornaments. And I just wanted to share this with you. This is this year's sweatshirt, so it's a slightly different color, and it's our logo, so you won't see them anywhere else. We've had a good response to those, and lots of snow globes. This one is particularly fun with the little railroad track going around the bottom, but they're just fun in the cardinals, and we have more in the other part of the shop. Gingerbread. Boy, if you're into gingerbread, I don't know if we've overdone it, but anyway, we have lots of gingerbread, and we made these guys, woo, oh dear, these guys just came in, and we've dressed them up and added to them, but they're really fun. And gingerbread nutcrackers, big and small, little gingerbread guys on teacups, and little mice with their hot chocolate. Pictures, more pictures that light up. This is a gingerbread house. These guys are so much fun. The sergeant generals with their drums, and the nutcracker picture. And then here we get into the snowy scenes, and we made up these arrangements for centerpieces. We still have a couple of teddy bears that we made up. Our little lady that's maybe had too much champagne, I don't know. And these have been so much fun. The little swings with the gnomes on. Just fun to hang in a window, or you can hang them in a tree. And of course we have Santa and another little fairy, and snow globes, lots and lots of snow globes, and little candle holders to match that light up. So, and these are fun. They come in gold and they come in white, and they make a fun centerpiece too. And this one lights up as well. And then here we have the partners, our reindeer partners. Are they not fun? Arm in arm. And we just finished this one this afternoon, our drummer man. So the drummer boy song comes to mind. Santa's on his tricycle ready to deliver. We have chocolate, wonderful chocolate from Ancaster, Ontario. And I can vouch for it. And I'm hoping people will buy it because I keep eating it. It's not a good thing. And here is another sleigh that we just did, which is really pretty and fun. And I wanted to show, and cushions, lots of cushions and runners, table runners. And Innis, if you haven't tried Innis, you should, because it's just so refreshing, and men and women can use it. Soaps, gels, cologne, all of the wonderful scents. And these are reindeer that can be put outside. They're gorgeous, of course. And here's our golden elf lady. And we just finished this toboggan as well. And then in the older part of the shop, so here's our runners. in the older part of the shop, we have lots of fairy-like things. Fun to put on a bottle of wine for a hostess gift or on the top of a present. More pictures that light up and a couple more water globes. Reindeer. This guy is really fun. He lights up and he has matching cones. And this is fun this year. We've got some nutcracker china and cake plates, platters, dessert plates, and they make beautiful gifts because the packaging is gorgeous. This is how the platter comes. So it's a lovely gift for someone and useful. And then we have a number of pieces that light up that you can put down the center of your table. Stars and sort of they're like a I don't know what you call it, but anyway, they're gorgeous. Just going. Anyway, and then we have lots of mice ornaments. Our elf here with Santa in the more rustic kind of feel to him. This guy's really fun. We just finished him, Santa in his sleigh with his elves. And the letters for Santa. Top hat is fun. Lots of candles, tree toppers. This is a fun piece, birch. We just finished that. And so there you have it. And the lanterns. I didn't show you the lanterns that light up. So there you go. That's a little mini tour of the shop. Later on, I'll be doing. I'll probably do a little demo of how to set a table or ideas to set a table. But this will give you an idea, if you come, what you're going to see. So I hope this was kind of fun and I didn't make you laugh too hard. Merry Christmas, it's coming soon. Bye for now.